Baby, turn it up, make it work. One more time, you know how it goes. Baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around. Let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work.
Hello, I'm Selena. I'm here to make you a special and amazing editor. I have an editor tutorial every day of the week, so join me.
One more time, you know how it goes. Baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around. Let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work. One more time, you know how it goes. Baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around. Skin show, baby, turn it up. You know how it goes, baby, turn it up, 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 turn it up. You know how it goes, baby, turn it up. You got to give it to me.
And welcome to my tea party. Spooky?
Whose balloon is this?
It's mine.
Oh, Penny, can you pass on the Ouija board for me?
You sure?
I am Belle. Can't you tell? You will meet my haunted friends, or you will go to hell.
Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Oh my God!
watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy. To be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, feeding from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline.
Thank you very much for being with me until the end of the video. If you have any comments, I will read and answer as much as I can. Like and give me energy. I love you very much and wait for my next video. Stars are born. They cannot be made.